All right, guys, back on Brian's motor on a 66 Sting. Got a new temp sensor I already put in. New oil pressure sensor, or I'm about to put in. And some fresh spark plugs. And then we'll get these wires all cleaned up to match. Get them all hooked up. Oh, forgot, got the motor mounts on. Unfortunately, I can only get studs, fortunately. So got the pulley all bolted in. You already saw the alternator, nice and pretty. Belt's nice and tight. Other motor mount. What's up, Scotty?
What's up?
So, I believe in a little bit, Bobby,
you can fly?
Bobby's gonna start rebuilding the carb. I got bolts cleaned up for the bell housing, so I can get the bell housing back on the trans, since the trans is all nice and painted. And
you have an oil pressure fitting, Bernie.
yep, I already put the send sensor in.
Yeah.
I'm doing a quick update video.
You're having a quickie?
And a little quickie. So yeah, guys.
Remember last time you had a quickie, your son was born?
Yeah.
Every time I have a quickie, I get kids.
Yeah, let's not talk about that right now. Anyways, but yeah. Oh, we'll video Boss Man actually doing something today.
F off.
I always gotta say something to drive me nuts.
I do more in my sleep than you do in a day. Not really.
I don't say, what is it saying here?
I don't sleep enough.
I slept pretty good last night though.
I slept like shit. But I always sleep like shit. 'Cause I'm always thinking, why is there so much to do?
Right?
Hey, look, Birdsy. We need to go shove the 62 out of the way. Now that that's in.
Okay. Alright, guys. Get back to you in a few. Gotta go move a car real quick, and then I'll get the spark plugs in, and I'll give you guys an update.